I have absolutely fallen in love with this room. The Little Mermaid.
Taxi dust!
It's the standard room, so you're all the way in the back. Honestly, I don't know that I could have enjoyed it without a scooter. I just don't think I could have. I have not even packed my scooter up, even though everything else is packed up, ready to go when I leave tomorrow, because I know I want breakfast in the morning, and there's no way I'm walking all the way up to Landscape of Flavors, or Landscapes of Flavor. Like, I love the waffle bounty platter at Disney. I love that thing. So I'm gonna go have that in the morning, and then I'm gonna head on out. But I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy this room just for just a little bit more.
Under the sea.
Horatio Felinius Ignatius Crustaceus Sebastian. He is the composer. These are the front room curtains, looking like the bottom of the sea. We are all under the sea. And there's Flounder and Sebastian together. Hi. Or I guess I could do it where you guys see my face. Hi. Oh, I just have to say this has been like my favoriteest thing about this room. I love a good bath, guys. I love a good shower. I'm a bath girl. So like being able to hang out in Ariel's grotto here, where she keeps all her who's-its and what's-its galore. I kind of enjoyed it. I kind of love this room. Whoosh, here's the part I'll miss the most. Feeling like I'm a part of the collection. Isn't it sweet? Her collection's complete, at least till I go home. And tell me, have you already seen at least one of the hidden Mickeys? I don't think the other one is focused in, but you know, bottom left-hand corner in the picture frame is a Mickey. And then if I zoom in, can you see him? There he is. A very hidden Mickey. It's a dingle hopper. Look at that. It's a dingle hopper.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are! Oh!